So delicious. Let's get this chicken recipe started. I'm going to add some salt. My chicken, I'm using chicken breast. I'm using some lemon pepper. One of my favorites. Sprinkle this. I'm adding some curry powder. I love adding curry powder and everything. Some paprika. Some dry thyme. Some black pepper. I'm adding some sauce. This is some Korean sauce, one of my favorites. Just adding to get a bit of flavor in here, like so. Then I'm going to spread everything around that it's properly marinated. Chicken is ready, so I'm going to cover this and let it sit for a while, and then I'm going to start heating my pot. In a pot, I'm going to add some oil, and then I'm going to add my chicken, marinated chicken. Smells so good. Okay. It's exactly how I wanted it to be. This chicken breast looks very delicious. How do you prepare your chicken breast? Chicken breast is not usually the type of chicken I buy, but it's very good for you, and I feel it's so juicy when you bite into it, and it is the healthiest part of the chicken. So it is exactly how I want it to be. I'm going to transfer it into another dish so I can start making my sauce. Oh my God, look at that. How do you prepare yours? Let me know in the comments below. Wow, I love the color that it's in here, and then I'm going to I'm going to add a bit of hot water in there. Perfect. So we still have this, the other seasoning that we used previously to fry our chicken breast. So I'm going to add the other dry seasoning, my onion, saute for a bit, pepper, the smell is heavenly. Love the smell of peppers, onion, garlic. So smells so delicious. Let's squeeze some lemon here, lemon juice there for our chicken. Oh, so beautiful. The color is everything. I'm not going to be adding more salt because I think we have added enough salt, so I'm going to let it just cook for a bit, 10 more minutes, and then I'm going to add some Alfredo sauce on there, and we should be ready to go. I hope you're enjoying this recipe, and then you can add any flavor you like. As I said, you're always in control of your kitchen, or you're in control of whatever recipe or ingredients that you feel like to add to your meal. It's everybody's taste, to each his own. Yeah, that's the joy of cooking, adding your own twist to your food. And this is how our chicken looks. I'm going to add my Alfredo and roasted garlic sauce. I'm using Classico as the brand. I'm going to maybe use half of it. Oh, look at our chicken, look at the sauce. Oh my God. So delicious. I'm going to sprinkle some thyme or green onion, I like to call it thyme or green onion, and then I'm just going to pass it. Oh my God, this is so delicious. Oh, I wish you guys could try this. Please try this recipe. You are not going to regret. It is absolutely so delicious. I am not too sure if I prepared enough because my kids, they're going to love this. Oh, looks so heavenly. You know, cooking is so therapeutic, and if you love cooking, it's very calming and relaxing. Cooking, it is not a task, trust me, it is not. It is very therapeutic, and if you love flavors, you're going to love cooking. Look at that. Oh my God, so delicious. So good. So delicious.